Welcome back to Thinkplus Education. In this video, we will see how to fill JIPMAT application form. And today with us, Mr. Surya. Surya is an IPMAT aspirant. Hi, Surya.
Yes, sir.
Shall we start filling the form?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So let's see here, before we start filling the form, we want to go to the website JIPMAT 2025. And this exam this year will be conducted by, every year, this exam is conducted by National Testing Agency, NTA. So please first go to the JIPMAT website. And here you can see that click here to register login. I just click on here. So now you can see that application for JIPMAT 2025 application number, password. And here all are the login details. If you want to get the login details, first you need to register as a new candidate. On the left side, you can see here, new candidate registration. I'll just click on this new candidate registration. Okay. So click here to proceed. I'll just say, so here I have an Aadhaar number, wish to create my login using Aadhaar numbers, also provide my consent for using Aadhaar for data. And I have a DigiLocker account, I don't have a DigiLocker account. So you want to choose one among these things. I'll choose here, I have an Aadhaar account. A phone with you?
Yes, sir.
Connected phone. Yeah. Take the phone also. Okay, tell me your Aadhaar number. Okay. So I think you received the OTP. Okay. So here we fetch all the details and candidate's name, and here we need to fill the other details. What is the father's name, mother's name, date of birth, email address, and gender, identity type, and identification number. Okay, so here I don't know what is this identity type. So here you can click on this one, whichever the validity that you are giving, Aadhaar card or PAN card. Based on that, you should enter the Aadhaar. Here I selected identity type as Aadhaar card. I will enter the Aadhaar number here. So let's fill all these details fast. So here we have filled all the details, and some of the details are actually fetched from the based on the Aadhaar number, name and everything. And here I fill the other details, date of birth, email address, and identity type, and present address. Here it is also given that permanent address and present address. If both are same, you simply click on here the same as the present address. In case if both are different, you have to enter both the details. And then you also need to choose one password and one security question. So these two things you have to remember. Please note down somewhere else. Surya, you remember your password, right?
Yes.
Okay, please note it down, and also security question answer. So let me go forward. So this is the review thing. Everything we need to check it once whether all the details are clear. Kindly verify all the particular used below carefully and ensure you have filled correct information. Candidate name, is it correct only, right?
Yes, sir.
Just check it once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And father's name?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mother's name?
Yes, sir.
Date of birth? Date of birth?
Yes, sir.
Gender?
Yes, sir.
Not here, there you should see that whether it is correct or not. Male, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Date of birth is also correct. Mobile number?
Yes, sir.
Email address? Address. So finally I agree. Please check your mobile. Now you get one OTP. Yeah, you're done with your registration. Now you need to log in. So do you remember your password?
Oh, yes, sir.
And check your mobile. You might have got application number. What is your application number?
250.
1 minute. So once you're done with the registration, you need to log in for filling the other details, also making the payment. Here we have application number, and application number you will receive to your mobile number, and password we already have created, and security pin as shown below. You need to enter the security pin. So what is your application number, Surya? Okay, please check your email ID also. So once you log in, you'll also get one OTP to your email ID. So that OTP you have to enter here. Okay, we are done with the registration. Now here you can see, once you're done with the registration, now you can see application form and fees payment. So I'll just click on the application form. Now I'll click on the application form. So here I need to fill all these details, contact details, personal details, exam center, and all these things. Let's start with the, so what is this captcha?
933
933 563. So I agree. Save and next. So contact details saved. Everything you have to check. Contact details, then personal details. Personal details also I should check whether everything is correct or not. And I also need to select the few things here. Nationality, Indian, and union territory, state or union territory. I should select Andhra Pradesh here. And Aadhaar card, Aadhaar number, category. So you're applying
General
under
EWS.
General EWS. And confirm category, General EWS. Category certification ID number. Just open your EWS certificate. Here, guys, please look at, in case if you are selecting EWS or NCOBC or SC or ST, definitely you want to enter what is the category certification ID and number. So that is visible on, that will be there on your website, on your certificate number. That will be there in your certificate. Just please check it once. Name of the authority issuing the category certificate. Okay, here you also need to enter and which date the certificate has been issued. Here you can see in the your certification. There you can see the date also. Guys, you can see the date of the issue on the application downside, left side, left bottom. You can see there. Here 30th January 2025. 2025. Okay. You're diabetic?
No, sir.
Okay. Mode of preparation?
Coaching, sir.
Okay. Place of residence? Urban only, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Ra. First time you helped me. Exam center details. First exam center, shall I go with Andhra Pradesh?
Yes, sir.
Exam center choice.
Visakhapatnam.
Oh, we have this year 4 centers. Last year we have only 1 center, Visakhapatnam. This year in Andhra Pradesh we have 4 centers, Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Kurnool, Guntur. So I'm selecting Visakhapatnam. You want to go and write in Kurnool?
No, sir.
Second choice, we'll go to Vijayawada.
Yes.
Third choice, we'll go for Guntur. Fourth choice, we'll go to Kurnool. Okay? And for this, guidance, education. What is your post-graduation or graduation, Daddy?
Graduate.
Graduate. Occupancy.
Business.
Wait. Mother,
Graduate.
housewife.
Yes, sir.
So here, after contact details and personal details and exam center details, we have a qualification details. Here we need to enter which school you have studied, in which board you have studied. Here you can see the 10th class or equivalent qualification details. And here you can see the 12th or equivalent qualification details, right? So you need to enter all these details properly. Let me check here. Past year,
2022.
place of schooling, urban. Type of schooling,
Private.
so initially we have filled in application contact details, personal details and exam center details. Now qualification details. In the qualification details, please be very careful about how you are selecting the qualifying exam, place of schooling, qualifying examination state, and type of school or college also. Is a private college or government aided private college. In which school you studied?
Bhashyam.
Bhashyam. So Bhashyam is a private unaided school. So here I have written that. And results mode and obtain marks. And also you should enter your roll number in 10th class. So keep all these details before you start filling the application. For the 12th class also, you should know which college you studied, whether it is a government college or government aided private college, or else how many marks you got, what is your application number, all these things to be entered here. So then we have filled all the details. Just click on save and next. Yeah. So we are done with the contact details, personal details, exam center details, qualification details. Now we want to enter the photo, signature and category certificate, because Surya is applied under EWS, so he should upload the application form here. So let's apply the photo here. So here we already keep, and please be very careful about the sizes Surya, this is the photo, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next one, this is for signature. Next is, this is EWS, right? Okay. Here, please understand, photo signature should be maximum 200 KB and signature should be 30 KB. Category certificate should be maximum of 150 KB. So whichever the category certificate that you're applying in the PDF format, it should be less than 150 KB. And signature should be less than 30 KB and photo should be less than 200 KB. Please make sure that before you start filling, all these things are compressed and putting at one place. Just click on save next. Just a minute. I just want to double check uploaded documents once. Okay. Got it. Yes. So I'm double checking whether the application is properly uploaded or not because this is quite important. Just click on. Right. So now we came to the last stage of payment. Payable amount is 1,000 rupees for the EWS category people. For general, NC, OBC, now you have to pay 2,000 rupees. Please verify your mobile number. Now before you start submitting this application, before you go for the payment, so you need to again get one OTP to your mobile. So we are done with the OTP verification. So in the application form, we have done everything except the final submission. So let me go to final submission. So after mobile number has been verified, so you need to submit the application form. So just click on final submit. So please double check for name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, gender, examination cities, category, and I agree. So first, before I put on final submission, I am checking all these details once. So we are done with the application form submission. Now we need to make the fee payment. So let's click on fees payment. Here pay now is 1,000 rupees. And here two options are given, State Bank of India and HDFC. Here we have an UPI option, please understand. I'm paying through UPI. So I'll generate the QR code here. Wait. This is the QR code. Done?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no, it will take some time, don't worry. Yeah. So you're done with your transaction. Okay. So we are done with the payment also. Verify mobile is also, we are done. So here you can check this on order ID and exam fees, paid amount, and update status also is success, so that the application has been successfully submitted and payment is also done. All the best for your exam, Surya.
Thank you, sir.
So you're just done with the application. You're yet to left with the full of preparation. Guys, before you start filling your JIPMAT application form, please make sure that you have your passport size photo, soft copy, and also your signature. And also if you have any kind of reservation, please make sure that that certificate is ready. So all these three things to be uploaded, and the passport size photo should be less than 200 KB, and your registration, so your signature should be less than 30 KB, and your PDF file should be less than 150 KB. So, and please get ready with all these things before you start filling this application. Last year we have only one exam center in Andhra Pradesh, only Visakhapatnam. This year it is given Visakhapatnam, Vijayawada, Kurnool, and Guntur. All the very best.